Dragon classifications. Strike class, fear class, mystery class. Thunder Drum. This reclusive dragon inhabits sea caves and dark tide pools. When startled, the thunder drum produces a concussive sound that can kill a man at close range. Extremely dangerous, kill on sight. Timberjack. This gigantic creature has razor-sharp wings that can slice through full-grown trees. Extremely dangerous, kill on sight. Scaldron. Sprays scalding water at its victim. Extremely dangerous. Ah! Changeling. Even newly hatched dragons can spray acid, kill on sight. Gronkle. Zippleback. The Skrill. Bone Napper. Whispering death. Burns its victims, buries its victims, chokes its victims, turns its victims inside out. Extremely dangerous, kill on sight, kill on sight, kill on sight. Night Fury. Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Never engage this dragon. Your only chance, hide and pray it does not find you.